Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures. Christmas is in full swing in Dollywood, and we decided that we were going to review and taste some of their food. This video is going to be a little bit different than what our traditional ones were, and we really hope that you enjoy this. So, come with us. Very similar to Silver Dollar City, Dollywood has a tasting pass for their Smoky Mountain Christmas Festival. Now, there are several things of sweets, like this cupcake here, that you see with sprinkles and some icing on top. Very simple cupcake, as well as some pot roast fries. You guys might see those as being very familiar, and they have some tasty drinks as well. So we're going to get into it, and we're going to break down all of these foods for you. First up, we have the cupcake, which can be found at the bakery. It is a simple vanilla cupcake with a bunch of icing on top swirled up. It is the whipped icing with red and green sprinkles and topped with a nice holly leaf. We bought it at the bakery right as soon as you enter the park, and if you've got a sweet tooth, this isn't a bad little snack to have, especially if you're feeling in the holiday spirit and really want something sweet to eat. This next one is for you more hearty eaters. This is a Christmas Toastie sandwich. It has got hearty holiday flavors of roasted turkey pot roast, stuffing, Brussels sprouts, and Swiss cheese, topped with cranberry aioli and turkey gravy to dip it in, all on a delicious roll. Now, when Ash and I first got this, we were a little taken aback about there being cranberry aioli, and honestly, the flavors work so well. Even dipping it into that turkey gravy, oh man, the flavors just popped. It's great. We highly recommend this as a little light lunch to have while you're in the park, and it's great tasting too. Next up, we hit the comfort food with the turkey thigh campfire skillet. It is a pot roast featuring tender turkey, skillet style white and red potatoes, onions, and peppers. This is definitely the dish that you're going to be looking for if you're looking for that pre-Christmas dinner feel with turkey and all of the fixings with potatoes. Ash and I absolutely enjoyed this, and we really think that you guys will too, if this is what you're looking for, and if you're looking for a little taste of home in the theme park. In the same booth that you can get the turkey thigh skillet, you can get the Chipotle Turkey Nachos. These are soon to be a holiday menu favorite. They have corn tortilla chips, tender turkey pot roast flavored with honey and chipotle, and a variety of tasty toppings. The toppings I chose were nacho cheese, green onions, and jalapenos. This was a solid choice, and they were very good. It wasn't too greasy. It had a great flavor to everything. Everything was just very delicious, and I cleaned out the entire bowl. So if you are a nacho lover, or you have any nacho lovers in your party, this is definitely a dish that you cannot miss out on during the holiday season. This next item is actually a bonus, as we did not use our pass. This is the cranberry orange drink, and it is a fizzy beverage highlighted with ginger, cranberry, and orange flavors. It was actually very refreshing, and it's even topped with an orange garnish. Now, the reason we purchased this separate from our pass is it's actually cheaper to purchase drinks outside of your tasting pass, as you also don't waste that little spot to fill your tummy with some food. But if you're looking for a drink that's got quite a bit of flavor and it's also refreshing and you like orange and cranberry together, this is definitely the drink for you, and I do highly recommend getting it to sip on and just people watch while you're sitting there sipping on your drink at the park. Before we get to our last food item, please feel free to comment below if you have any questions concerning the tasting pass, how it works, what to do, where to go. We will be very happy to answer your questions and help you out and make your trip to Dollywood that much better. We do highly recommend getting the tasting passes, as they can be a great way for you to split food and possibly save some money. Now, getting into this last thing, you guys might recognize this dish from Silver Dollar City, as it is the pot roast fries. These are absolutely delicious. They taste just as good as they do at Silver Dollar City. And I will tell you, I am not a person that likes to have things on my fries. I'm very basic when it comes to fries. I do not like chili cheese fries. I do not like those things. But these are a game changer for me. They are actually very delicious. They are very good. The meat is very good. They are not greasy, and they are solid, crispy fries for your theme park taste. Now, if this is something that you guys really enjoy, I highly recommend getting it, and kids, I think, would absolutely go bonkers over this kind of food. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for us, and we really want to thank you for sticking around towards the end of this video. And if you don't already, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that bell notification button, especially if you want to see more of our theme park and adventure videos. And with that, bring on the next adventure. Bye guys!